Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Kaiber AI. Kaiber AI can transform images, audio files, or existing videos into amazing AI-generated videos. First, let me introduce Kaiber AI. It is a powerful tool that uses AI to create stunning videos from text prompts. You can also upload images or existing videos and turn them into cool animations, adding music or audio files for a complete video. Check out the gallery on their website to see different creations. Hover over any video to see the full animation and get inspired. To create your account, visit Kaiber AI's website at kaiber.ai. Click on Start Free Trial and sign up with your email address and password, or use your Google or Apple account. Once signed in, you will see your dashboard with options to create videos using various templates or video types like flipbook, motion, and transform. Next, we will create a text-to-video using the flipbook style. Start by writing a prompt that describes your video's content. You can use Kaiber's prompts for themed videos or ask ChatGPT for helping in generating one. Copy the prompt and paste it into the text box provided by Kaiber AI. Once you are all done, click Generate Previews to see different versions of your video. Choose your favorite preview and click Create Video to finalize it. As you can see, the results are impressive. You can download, copy, or share your video across platforms. As you become more familiar with Kaiber AI, you will find a new way to enhance your videos and captivate your audience. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.